6:23. And Rob, are we warming up today on this Monday?
Yeah, it's not as cool out there this morning like we were seeing each morning last week, right? Instead of being in the 30s and 40s, I got a lot of numbers that are a lot closer to 50 this morning. And I think that trend continues this week. So not as chilly in the overnights and early morning hours, warming up past 80 in the afternoon, maybe to 82, 83, 84 over these next couple of days, depending on how much sunshine we can hang on to. And as we increase the moisture content a little bit more, that won't allow the overnight temperatures to drop as far. So I think we're going to see the morning numbers climb even more than the afternoon numbers. Right now, it's pretty close to 50. I think a little bit later on this week, those numbers may be a little closer to 60 out there for morning temperatures. Right now, 48 Tallahassee, 50 Thomasville, 51 in Valdosta. It's not breezy yet, and there is a little bit more moisture, so we're going to be looking for some of that patchy fog. And I think we're going to find some areas where that fog is reducing visibility. Right now, it's 53 in Perry and 52 in Moultrie. Marianne's one of the cool spots at 46, but pretty much everybody pretty close to 50 degrees. To the east, that's where the visibilities are being most impacted, from Perry to Live Oak and even up to Valdosta. So on the I-75 corridor, that's where we're finding most of the fog. And I think the next couple of mornings, there's going to be more patchy fog out there for us to deal with. Way out to the west, there is energy, there's a boundary, there's plenty of things that would help to shake some showers out of the clouds if we can bring in enough moisture out ahead of it. Higher pressure has been our big weather player for days and days and days and days. Finally moving away. This next energy is going to be racing to the north, but it will drag the boundary through the area, and when it does, we get the shot for some showers. Now, from the Severe Prediction Center, there's at least a chance well to our west for some bigger thunderstorms, and that's going to be on Tuesday. I think by the time the boundary gets here, maybe early Wednesday, a lot of that will be all fizzled out. But the chance for a few showers, the chance for an isolated rumble of thunder is still going to be part of our forecast. So we've got our eyes on a couple of things. We're keeping our eyes on a couple of things out here in the tropics to the south and east of Bermuda. Nothing that looks imminent, but certainly a little something that could, over the next couple of days, develop a little bit more. Still about 5 full weeks left of the Atlantic hurricane season, so plenty of time for more to happen out there. We'd prefer if it doesn't, but we'll watch, we'll see, we'll bring you updates. On the Gulf today, winds out of the east and southeast, 8 to 16, seas 2 to 4 feet, so maybe a little bit breezy out there. Going to get a little bit more breezy ahead of that boundary. 40s, 50s, we'll call it cool and mostly clear this morning. Sun doesn't arrive till 7:46. This afternoon, I think we're going to be talking low 80s and plenty of sunshine. A little bit more cloudy lingering tonight. A little bit more patchy fog tomorrow, and temperatures a little bit higher in the 50s. As we go through the day on Tuesday, I do think the clouds increase a bit, and fingers crossed that we can find some showers maybe to start Wednesday. It's not a guarantee. It's not widespread, everybody gets wet kind of rain, but at least it's a chance.